Hey everyone, want to make some extra cash just by watching videos online in 2024? You're in luck. I've got an awesome opportunity to share with you today. Imagine earning $2 for each video you watch. Sounds great, right? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to make this happen. We'll cover where to find these opportunities, how to maximize your earnings, and tips for picking the best videos to watch. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to visit a specific website to start making money by watching videos. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal the name of the website. For now, let me show you how it works. This website offers various tasks, including watching videos, completing offers, and taking surveys to earn free PayPal cash. Or if you prefer, you can redeem gift cards from Amazon, Spotify, and more. Today, we're focusing on making money by watching videos, which can be quite profitable. You can access this site from both your computer and mobile devices. To get started, you need to create a free account. The sign-up process is super easy. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or PayPal account, or if you prefer to use your email instead. You can click on the Sign In with Magic Link option. A pop-up will open. Enter your email address and then click on Send Me a Magic Link. You will then receive a custom link in your email inbox that will get you signed up right away. By the way, PayPal is the preferred method for receiving your earnings. So, if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can sign up for free at paypal.com. It's available in nearly every country. Before we continue, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all the money-making tips and tricks I showcase on this channel. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll see your dashboard. On this platform, every video or task you complete earns you points, which can be exchanged for real money. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $1, which you can earn in a few minutes. Now, let me show you how to make money here. There are different sections like offers, tasks, and the explore section where you can watch ads, but we're focusing on videos. You'll find various categories like music, food, do-it-yourself videos, gaming, business, and more. Pick your favorite and start earning while enjoying the content you love. For example, if you enjoy music, click on the music category. You'll need to sign up on a linked platform like Pixel Point TV for music videos. Signing up for these linked platforms can be done quick and easy. Once you're signed up, your account will link to the main platform, and all the points you earn will be transferred to your main account. Here's a pro tip. Open multiple platforms in separate tabs to watch videos simultaneously and multiply your earnings. Next, let's talk about other ways to boost your earnings. First up is offers. You can earn points by completing tasks like downloading apps, signing up for free trials, and more. These offers often pay better compared to other websites. For example, you might see an offer to download a game. Download and open the app, use it, and reach certain levels to earn points. Most of these offers are for new users, so it must be your first time using the app. You can filter offers based on your device. If you're using an Android device, select Android to see tailored offers. If you're on iOS, select iOS. Since I'm on a computer, I'll choose the web option and start completing offers. There are also survey offers. Register and verify your account and complete 3 surveys to earn over 8,000 points. You can choose the highest paying offers by selecting Most Popular. Another effective way to boost your earning, other than watching videos, is by watching ads. If you click on the Explore tab, you will find different options. Platforms like Monlix and TimeWall offer high payouts for watching ads. On Monlix, go to the ad section, watch the ads, and earn money. On TimeWall, sign up, go to the click section, and watch ads one by one. Surveys are another great option. You can find a variety of surveys, ranging from quick 1-minute surveys to longer 30-minute ones. Choose what interests you, answer simple questions, and earn points redeemable for real money. This platform is called earnably.com. With over 4.4-star ratings on Trustpilot, it's a legit way to make money online. Check out these reviews. You only need $1 to withdraw your earnings, which is pretty easy to achieve. Once you reach $1, click on Redeem to withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account, or choose another payment method available in your country. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. Side Hustle for more tips on making money online. See you next time.